How's it going, everyone? This is Takai, and today I wanted to share with you guys a thought that I had about career growth. I think we're all familiar with the concept of having a growth mindset. It's having the willingness to learn new things and work towards being a better person every day. But something that came to mind recently is what happens when you aren't growing every day? What happens when you just start doing things on autopilot? What happens when you just start living a cookie cutter sort of approach to your life and your work? For me personally, I find that anytime I've reached a point of complacency in my life, which to be honest has been numerous times, I find that I get bored easily. And things start to become easier to the point where it makes me feel just comfortable. When I'm comfortable, then it means that I'm not stretching my creative muscles, I'm not pushing them harder, and not making them stronger. Our creative abilities are anti-fragile, which means that the more stress that you put on it, the stronger that it becomes. So if we're constantly pushing ourselves through the creative struggle and the humiliations, the mistakes, and problem solving that comes with it, the feeling that you get in the end of it is very rewarding. And it's a lot more rewarding than the comforts that you feel from complacency. Like whenever problems come up on set, which is all the time. One of the most satisfying feelings in the world is being able to troubleshoot a problem and figure out how to get the shots that you need. For example, in these drone shots of me setting up the DIY diffusion frame from one of my previous videos, my friend Fidel and I had so many problems with getting that footage. The first two locations we found didn't work out because the first was too crowded and the second one was too far of a hike. And then the third one, once we set up, we found out we were in a no-fly zone. Then the fourth location where we ended up filming, the camera would stop working after recording for a minute, sprinklers came on, and we ended up having to wait around for the drone to update itself. There was a commercial project that I was working on recently where the director wanted me to get a specific shot, but in my mind I was thinking, I don't have the equipment for a setup like that. But he heavily insisted from the equipment that I did bring that there was a possible setup that we can do. And he ended up DIYing a setup out of C-stands and a table, and it ended up working out, and it ended up being a shot that I put into my reel. If I had let complacency and maybe even some ego get in the way, I would have just said, oh, screw it. Let's just scrap the drone footage. I'll make it work with a regular camera. Or no, that shot's not possible because I don't have the gear for making that setup work. And I would have robbed my opportunity of stretching that creative muscle and learning something new and just working with what I already have. From the book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, it says that people normally confuse happiness with feeling good all the time and not having any problems. But the flaw in that sort of thinking is that when you're not constantly solving problems and not going through the process of struggle, our minds become complacent and they stop growing. It's like going to the gym. If you stop working out, then your body is only going to get weaker and you're going to feel worse physically. I think this can easily be applied to creativity. If you're not exercising your creativity with new techniques and new problems and new challenges, then your creative mind starts to get weaker. If we only stick to complacency and doing the same things over and over again, our thought patterns towards creativity doesn't change. They stop being challenged and they stop growing and you feel stuck. But when you constantly work at improving yourself and embracing new creative problems and you succeed, the satisfaction of doing so is the feeling that we're all chasing in reality, and it's the feeling that you can't get from just not having problems and being complacent. And that's the feeling that gives us the confidence to keep creating things and challenging ourselves. One of the best ways to grow creatively is to collaborate with other people. And if you're fortunate enough to be surrounded by growth-minded people, it's important that you always collaborate with them and navigate the trenches together. But if you're a complacent person who is surrounded by people who are constantly growing, they're eventually gonna outgrow you. They're gonna want to face the next difficult challenge in their career. They're gonna want to up the quality standard of their work and work on bigger, more exciting projects. And they're gonna want you to be a part of it. But if you haven't grown since the smaller project days, then it's gonna be harder for them to want to bring you onto their project if they feel that you can't keep up. So being in a constant state of learning and challenging yourself and constantly just evolving your creative mind is ultimately just going to help you in your own life and in your own career and overall your happiness. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. There's plenty of content here on YouTube, so the fact that you chose to watch mine really means a lot to me. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below and share a story with me if you feel that you can relate to this in some way. I would really love to read them. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.